Hi guys, it's me Alyssa and Skylar. And welcome to our first video on YouTube. This won't be very long, but this is just like our intro, like telling you what we are, who we are, what we do for a living, basically. We just came home from a lovely day out. And so on this channel, to be doing reactions, singing, karaoke. Sorry if you're a bit jealous, but we're going to be doing like all that stuff, all that good stuff. And yeah, so just want to say welcome to our first channel. I have had a channel before, but I'm not going to leave the link in the description because I don't like it. It was when I was like 8, 9 and 10. But, yeah. So, yeah. Let's get to it. Today, we're going to be showing you some tricks. That's not a trick. But, yeah. So, she's going to show you some tricks. I'll leave you guys to it. I'm not very good at them. Haven't done them in a while. Yeah. I'm really bad at them. So let's screw that. Skylar? Yeah? Right, guys, I'm going to be charging my iPad, and then we can react to some music videos together. So that you can actually see them. Yeah, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, and leave a like. And comment down below what you think we should do next as a video. And also comment down below if you'd like, please subscribe, hit the bell, and please like. Yeah, so my iPad's technically broken, as you could say. But yeah, I'll show you my hamster. It is adorable. If you're a big fan of hamsters, please comment. Because we'll do basically hamster tricks. Basically, we've got our own room full of 3 hamsters, 2 guinea pigs, and lots of others. Do you want to try chocolate? No. And this one's called Bolt. You can't see him. Our first ever baby. There's a cat called Ducky, which we love. Just a sequel. There's all of that. There's a main 2 that we love. So, listen, there's one of the challenges in food. Yeah. Okay. Climbing on the roof, yeah. Guys, we do climb on the roof a lot. A lot. So, watch until the end to see us climb on the roof. And we're going to be doing a Q&A. You can't eat a fidget spinner, boy. We're going to be doing a Q&A now. Where Skylar, yeah, who's that ginger one, is going to ask him. He's going to send about your life. Yeah. And like, yes, sir. I'll see you when we're in the studio. Well, we're not going to be in the actual actual studio. It's still going to be here, but yeah. Right, we are down in the studio about. Right, we're ready for action. Yeah. Okay, we've got our sweets, we've got our chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it has tissue on it. Right, remember I like the chocolate ones.
So do I. I'm gonna put, guys, do you dare me to put this in my McFlurry?
What is it, a Skittle or an M&M?
Oh, they're all M&Ms.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Oh, or the ones that you've got.
3, 2, 1. Let's see.
Skylar, go get a tissue.
Sorry, guys. Wait right now.
Right, so I'm going to be decorating my McFlurry with M&M's and Skittles, which we got from the pub. I'm not mentioning what pub it is. But yeah, it's near Gravesend. We do live in England, but I'm not revealing until we get 500 subscribers. Then I'll reveal where I live, not my actual street or house number, but I'll reveal what town. For those of you who don't know what town is, it's like Rochester, Gravesend, London.
How is your decorating going? Lucy?
Ow! Sorry. I've told them that we're not revealing where we live until we get 500 subscribers.
500 subs.
500 subs is our dream. Always has been. Always will be.
And also, we absolutely love if you're named Ike Tori on YouTube.
No, we don't.
Oh, she's a really good YouTuber.
No, she really isn't. She makes videos on Roblox and all that.
Roblox.
Roblox is for babies. Come on.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Sorry guys, she spilled ice cream on the laptop, so now I need to clean it. Sorry. Right, so we're going to be asking questions now. Skylar, you start asking questions.
Right. So
Go. Hold
We're
on,
going to be
guys.
talking-
We'll get back, and when we're ready. Bye.
is it personal? But not telling you. Alright, when were you born? When were you born?
I was born in 2006, 29th of June.
Okay. Well.
You can sit on the chair.
How
properly.
many pets?
I have 5 pets.
And I have 2. So that equals. Pick only one colour that you would choose for your hair to be. Can be any colour.
Red.
Same. What ice cream would you prefer? Bubblegum or pink bubblegum?
Pink bubblegum.
Blue bubblegum or
Pink bubblegum.
blue is better. Would you rather a McFlurry or an actual ice cream?
McFlurry.
Me too. Would you rather caramel or crisps?
Caramel.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, that is my auntie and my mum.
Laughing their heart. Predict how many freckles.
This is actually tricky. 200?
More than that.
400? 170 something?
Less.
470 something.
Definitely like 299.
No, because I've got some on my arms, my legs, and other places. Like
Chest.
Can I taste that? That looks like mint ice cream.
Predict how many teeth there are of you.
20.
Anyway.
Oh, 3. Hasn't got any bits in. Right, quickly, we need to be snip, snap. We've got 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
We need a break, and we're going to be carrying on in the studio in 2 minutes.
how many pets do you have that's black? Pet questions.
3.
3 black. Alright. Who is the oldest in your family? Entire.
My 20-year-old cousin. No, my 28-year-old cousin.
I'm out of questions, guys.
Alright, guess I'm going to have to do 3 minutes of me asking her questions. Next plan, we promised that we show you us on the roof. So, let's get to it.
Oh God. She's out on the roof.
I'm not going fully in the garden because I have no shoes on.
I will.
As you can tell. Yes, Skylar will.
I will because I have my
Boots on.
boots on.
Right. Let's see her out in a minute. On the roof.
Goodbye, guys. See ya.
No. Skylar, come back in.
I'm back.
Yeah, so that concludes us to the end of the video. Right, we will be doing the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was our first video, remember? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button and turn post notifications on. See you in the next video. Peace out.